Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of cookware with the Titanium Nonstick 8-Quart stock pot featuring a tempered glass lid and crafted from 4mm forged aluminum with a PFOA-free coating straight from England. This pot boasts the latest technology with its 3 layers of premium QuanTanium Nonstick titanium coating, making it scratch-resistant and nearly 3 times more durable than traditional Teflon, ceramic, and granite-coated pots. Its thicker forged aluminum construction ensures faster heating and reliable, even cooking every time, whether you're using gas, electric, ceramic, glass, or halogen stovetops. Not only is it dishwasher safe, but it's also eco-friendly, being PFOA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free, making it a safe choice for your kitchen. Plus, it comes with a bonus storage bag, making it easy to store when not in use. With this stock pot, you can cook like a pro and enjoy peace of mind with its 30-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. So, if you're looking for a durable and efficient cooking companion, this Titanium Nonstick stock pot might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.